Welcome back, guys, to Coin Kitchen, where every penny counts. As you can see, we're in the month of October right now, so that means it's raining all day, it's getting chilly, and the leaves are falling. So that got me thinking, what recipe could I show you guys to warm you up on such a day? And what better than a stew? So today in Coin Kitchen, we're gonna make a potato stew, Coin Kitchen style. So guys, enough talking, enough rain. How about we jump straight into the kitchen? So we're back in the kitchen, guys. And before we start cooking, I need to tell you the ingredients. What we'll need gonna be 2 or 3 potatoes, 1 big onion, about 150 grams of tomato puree, hot dogs, and the final touch, we're gonna need a bundle of fresh dill. Well, enough talking, let's go straight to the cooking. We will begin by peeling and dicing the potatoes and the onions, and then we're gonna put them in separate bowls. Take the hot dogs and then slice them into about 1 centimeter thick slices. After that, we will take our dill and we will finely chop it. Heat up a pot on medium heat and add some oil. First, we're gonna put our onions and immediately after our hot dogs in the pot. And we're gonna let them fry and stir from time to time. After about 2 minutes, 3 minutes of frying, we will add our tomato sauce, all of it. Stir a bit in the pot so that tomato sauce mixes with the hot dogs and the onions. When they're all mixed, then we add half a liter of water. Now it's the time to add salt and pepper by your taste. We will then add our potatoes and mix them a bit. And then we will add usually around half a liter of water, but just enough water to cover the potatoes. Now we put the stove on about 7 on high so that the water starts boiling, and once it boils we reduce the temperature back to 4 to medium-low simmering temperature. And we leave it to boil for about 45 minutes until the water goes down and the sauce thickens. We stop the stove and then we just add our dill as a last step and mix. And it should be done. So here is the final product, guys. Our potato stew. All this thick goodness with hot dogs, potatoes, onions, tomato sauce. What else would you want on a chilly, rainy evening? This is the peak of comfort food, and it's actually also so cheap to make. You know, I just can't wait anymore. It's hot. It's hot. It's still very hot, even though we left it for about 10 minutes to cool off, it's still hot. One thing that I like to eat with this stew is usually like a bread bun or a loaf of bread. It just goes amazing. Look at this. Just delicious. That being said, thank you for joining us today, guys. Even though it was a horrible rainy day, thanks for being here with us. And I hope you join us next time as well. Like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time. People call me Georgia.